Hello, welcome to UDC Mobile. This video will cover the basics of setting up Teams in the UDC Mobile console. By the end of this video, you should have enough information to create and assign your own teams. To start with, let's review what a team is. A team is a logical grouping of roles such as supervisors, field service, sales, and so forth. We will create the names of each team. On the right, we have employee devices which we want to link to their respective teams. On the left, we have all the forms we created earlier. We will assign the appropriate forms to each team. Forms can be assigned to multiple teams. For example, timesheets are used by several teams. To get started, launch your browser and log into UDC Mobile. When you log in, you are presented with the main page. In this exercise, we are focusing on Teams. Select the Teams tab. Select the Add button in the lower right corner of the screen. The fields are: name the team, give it a description, allow clock in, out. You can leave this unticked for now. This is for teams who may also want to clock in and out for their time and attendance system. This can be used in addition to using other forms and can be enabled at a later time if you wish. Default form. This allows you to nominate a form most often used by that team. The mobile application starts up with the default form. Select Save. Create all the teams you wish to define. Next, we need to assign the devices and forms to each team. Select the Assign button in the lower right corner. In our example, we have selected Field Service from the team list and pressed Assign. There are two assignments which need to be applied to each team: assign the devices and assign the forms. To assign the devices, use the Link Devices tab. To assign the forms, use the Link Forms tab. In our example, 3 mobile devices were ticked and the right arrow button selected to move the devices to this team. Please note, devices can only belong to one team. Select Save. The Link Form assignment works the same manner as Link Devices. Tick the appropriate forms and use the right arrow button to move them to the assigned window. Note that all of your forms will continue to be available on the other team assignments. Select Save. At this point, an email will be sent to all members of that team to register their mobile devices. They simply need to follow the instructions of that email to get started. Continue to populate the other teams with their appropriate assignments. This concludes this video on setting up Teams. You can now proceed to defining any other configurations. Should you require further details on this, you can refer to the Help tab.